Hi everyone. Today, I'll be showcasing a People Insights dashboard designed to give you a clear and interactive view of your workforce. You'll be able to quickly understand your employment types and headcount composition. See how your workforce is structured across different grades. Track changes and trends over time. And explore how salaries are distributed across teams. All in one easy-to-use dashboard. Let's now dive into the dashboard. At the top left of the dashboard, you'll see the title, People Insights. And to the right, you'll find the year selection buttons. With a single click, you can switch between different years, and the entire dashboard updates instantly. This makes it easy to explore workforce trends over time without manually adjusting any visuals. Let's start with the first panel, which shows the total headcount for the selected year, along with the percentage variance compared to the prior year. Beside the total, you'll see three colored bubbles representing the different employment types. The size of each bubble reflects its proportion of the total workforce, allowing you to understand the overall employment mix at a glance. When you hover over any bubble, you can see the exact headcount and its percentage of the total. You can also click on an employment type, for example, part-time, and the entire dashboard will instantly update to show only that group. This makes it easy to narrow your focus and explore demographics and patterns for a specific employment type, all within the same report. Next to this is the gender composition panel. A central bar visually shows the workforce mix by gender. On the left, the male workforce is shown using a male icon with its percentage of the selected year's total headcount, while the female workforce is displayed in the same way on the right. Below each icon, you'll find their average tenure and average age, adding deeper context beyond just headcount numbers. This panel is also fully interactive. Selecting a gender updates the entire dashboard to display only that gender's data, allowing you to quickly drill deeper into gender-specific insights across the organization. Moving to the next panel, we have department movements. This vertical bar chart shows headcount by department, enabling clear comparison across teams. Each department displays two bars, one for the selected year and one for the prior year, with the variance shown above the bars, making growth or reduction immediately visible. Like the other visuals, this panel is interactive. Clicking on a department updates the entire dashboard to focus on that specific team, helping you quickly understand how headcount trends, job grades, and salaries behave within a single department. Moving on, below the first panel, you'll find the staff pyramid, which shows how headcount is distributed across job grades, from junior roles at the bottom to senior roles at the top. The headcount for each grade is also displayed at the end of each bar, making the structure easy to interpret. This gives you a quick view of whether the organization is weighted toward junior or senior roles. And you can also select a grade to focus the entire dashboard on that level. Next to the staff pyramid is the monthly workforce trend panel. This line chart tracks headcount changes throughout the year. The selected year is shown as a pink line, while the prior year appears as a gray dotted line, making comparisons clear and intuitive. This helps you quickly spot seasonality, hiring spikes, or periods of attrition at a glance. Finally, the salary distribution panel uses a box plot to show salary ranges by department, including minimum, maximum, median, average, and quartiles. This gives you a clearer view of how the compensation is spread across teams, making it easier to spot disparities, outliers, and departments with wide salary ranges. Overall, this dashboard is designed to help you quickly answer key questions, such as how your workforce is structured, how it has changed over time, and how different groups compare across departments, grades, and pay. If you like what you're seeing so far, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now, let me show you how to make this dashboard yours in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Download the template. Start by downloading the Power BI template and the Excel dataset using the link in the description below. It's completely free and easy to access. After downloading, extract the files from the zip folder, and you're done with step 1. Step 2. Replace the dataset. Before getting to the Excel dataset, here's a quick overview of the data structure. The first few tables contain staff data, with one worksheet per year. This structure makes it easier to manage historical data, especially when final figures are locked. Since all the worksheets use the same format, we'll walk through just one. Each includes fields such as employee ID, birthday, gender ID, BUID, grade ID, type ID, salary, staff start date, staff end date, data download date, staff age, and tenure. The next four tables, gender, grade, department, and type, are dimension tables. These help categorize your data and enable filtering across the dashboard. All of these tables are connected through key fields, allowing everything to work together as a single, complete data model. Now, let's open the Excel file. The first worksheet, Data 2023, contains sample employee data for that year. Replace this with your own records. The same structure applies to Data 2024, Data 2025, and Data 2026. The next three worksheets, gender, grade, and department, contain organization-specific information. Update these to match your own setup. The last worksheet type is preset for the bubble visual, so no changes are needed if your organization also uses 3 employment types. And that's it for the Excel file setup. Step 3. Load your data to the BI template. Open the BI file in the Power BI desktop. If you don't have Power BI desktop yet, download it free from the Microsoft website. The link is in the description. I'm also preparing a separate time-lapse video showing how this dashboard was built from scratch. I'll add the link above once it's ready. Now, back to loading your data. Click on the Transform Data button to enter the query view. Then go to Data Source Settings at the top. Review the file selected and click on Change Source. Browse and navigate to the folder where you saved your dataset. Power BI file will then load your updated data automatically. To exit Query View and load your data, go to the top left corner and click Close and Apply. Give it some time to load your new data. And there you have it. With this People Insights dashboard, you can analyze your workforce from different perspectives without rebuilding visuals or creating multiple reports. Going forward, all you need to do is update the Excel worksheet and hit the refresh button at the top to update the dashboard with the latest data. I hope you find this People Insights dashboard template helpful for your work or learning. If you are looking for more dashboard templates, be sure to check out my earlier videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.